Can you tell this is French fries made with jicama? Previously, I shared a recipe video where jicama was simply sliced up, drizzled with sugar. That's actually the only way I remember we serve jicama back in the region I am from. I wanted to explore more options with jicama, so today we are making French fries with it. So to start, once we boil them for 10 minutes in hot water, remove to drain, preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit with a baking tray inside. Pat the jicama dry and season it with the ingredients I listed here. Make sure you mix everything in until it's fully marinated before we place them evenly on this heated baking tray. Now quickly put it in the oven to cook for about 15 minutes until it's crispy and brown around the edges. Flip them around and put it back in the oven to cook for additional 15 minutes. That's it. So the texture of jicama fries is more dense and fibered, not soft like French fries are. You have to try to find out. All my recipes are in the bio. Thank you for watching.